Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a pie chart with percentage and one slice is stand out. Okay, like this you can create like this pie chart in your Microsoft Excel. So how to create it? So what you have to do, I have just selected another sheet and paste same information here. Okay, so now what I have to do, first I add one more bar. Okay, now to create a pie chart, what you have to do, here you have to select all the data, okay, of which you want to create the pie chart. Then go to insert, then here you will see pie chart option, click on it. Now you can choose all these options, 3D, 4D, donut. Okay, so I want this simple 2D pie chart. Now click on it, then you will see this is how, this is the pie chart. Okay, so this is the pie chart. Now I'm going to resize it. Okay, now first we will add label here. So to add label, what you have to do, just select, then here you will see add chart option, chart element, click on it, data label, then select center or inside the end. Okay, now you will see the labels has been appeared. Now what you have to do, now again click on it, then right click, then go to format data labels. Okay, now we are going to uh, convert it into the percentage. Okay, all these things into percentage. So now what you have to do, select percentage and value should be not selected. Okay, like this. Now you here you will see label position. You can change the position of the label, outside, inside, center, or best fit. Okay, you can all do all these things, but I think inside and is better. Okay, now you will see this is like how you can do this. Now then we will change the angle. If you want to change the angle of this pie chart, so what you have to do, again select, right click, then format data series. You will see format data series. Now you can change the angle of the slice. Okay, and also pie explosion, but first we will change the angle of the slice. Okay, so as I want this 31% should be here, is this side. So what you have to do, you have to just, you can choose this. Okay, so you can choose all this, and then I want to pie a slice explosion. Okay, I want this slice should be explosion, means stand out. Okay, so you have to select one slice. Okay, to select one slice, just double click on the slice, you can choose select that, then you can just do like this, and you will see the this slices out stand out. Okay, now if you want to change the color, as I want to change the color of this one, you have to select only this, then go to format, and then here you will see shape fill. Now I want to choose this one. Okay, so like this you can create a pie chart. Okay, so in a Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.